Hey everyone, so I got this awesome packaging from Malibu C. I had done an order with them, so I'm going to unbox for you guys what I got. Let's see if I can here. I got their mixing jar, which makes mixing their face treatments and hair treatments a lot easier. I got an information pamphlet on the Creative Color Toolbox, how to get different looks. They had other ones on there, which I'll try purchase at a later date. I got the water testing kit. I have the B5 Face and Body Moisture Mist. This is kind of like a toner for the skincare. The serum. This is the Perfection C serum, and this looks like the activating crystals. So you have to, I think, mix the two and shake it. So this is going to complete the skincare line because I have the cream and the cleanser. I just didn't have the serum or the mist. So that is it for my Malibu C order. I'm super psyched and excited to try everything, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. I'll be doing some reviews. Just want to show you guys the other collections they have. They have Hardwater Wellness, Swimmer's Wellness, Malibu Blondes, Scalp Wellness, and Hydrating Color Wellness. That's their 6 collections. I think there's one more. It says contains 6, but I think there's one more in there. I'm not sure what that is yet, but check them out. They have a whole bunch of different products for professionals, and there is a non-professional site that you can get your products from. So, just my little unboxing video, guys. I will be back with more videos reviewing all of these. I'm nervous to see what my water is going to have in it because I know I live in an area that has hard water. So, keep an eye out for that.